You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop your iPad camera from following you during Zoom calls. If you've noticed that the camera keeps moving to track your face, that's due to a feature called Center Stage. Let's go over how to turn it off completely. First, open the Settings app on your iPad. Depending on your model, you'll either find the Center Stage toggle under the FaceTime section or the Camera section. Once you find it, simply switch it off. This will stop the camera from automatically panning and zooming to keep you in frame. Now go ahead and open the Zoom app and join a meeting. Once you're in the call, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the Control Center. You'll see the Center Stage option there too. Double check that it's turned off just in case it's still active. If you're using an external camera connected to your iPad, Center Stage won't apply at all. So that's something to keep in mind. Also, it's a good idea to look through the Zoom video settings to make sure no other video enhancements or effects are turned on. These don't control tracking, but they might change how your image appears. After making all these changes, restart the Zoom app to make sure everything updates properly. From now on, the camera should stay still during your meetings. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPad tips. See you later.